Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. Here we do not see something really significant on the daily chart by far. The trend stands bullish. By the MACD, yes, market has shown some minor pullback here, but with this pullback on intraday charts, there are a few tricky things that we could find in overall performance that stands around it. So it makes us think that theoretical market could show at least a bit deeper retracement, or potentially it might be, well, in general, not very good performance for the gold market. So we'll see. But currently, definitely what we could say is that we are not considering taking the long position by far, right here. So there are a few reasons for that. So first of all, if you remember, our entry points, initial entry point was around this support area, while the following next attempt we have made on this retracement. And in general, we said that this is for a short-term invalidation point. It's just because here you could recognize the hand and shoulders, and this is actually the bottom of the right arm. Stands right here. So, if market, for instance, can't reach the OP target, complete the target of the hand and shoulders, turning down from the neckline and dropping below the bottom of the right arm, this is definitely the sign of the failure, which is promised that market should drop below the bottom of the head as well. And in current performance, take a look what's going on. Market actually hits the neckline, but wasn't able to keep going higher, and actually even the minor COP target has not been quite reached. So market was close to it, but well, for a few cents it haven't been completed. Market shows this pullback. So it means that at least here we could get a bit deeper retracement. I am not speaking currently about this totally bearish scenario where the market will form like something like, I don't know, let's call it the double top, but well, or better to say that's just with the failure of the hand and shoulders, this most bearish setup, because you could see here as well, also we've got some divergence with this upward direction. But at least some deeper retracement should happen, and it means that currently you could keep long positions that we have right from here with the break-even stop. So it is possible, but in general, for taking the new long position, as we said recently, wait for reaction on the COP if you would like to buy gold. Since market hasn't quite reached the COP, but still reaction has started, we're calling and talking the same. Wait for this retracement, because probably it should provide better entry chances on the long side. On the hourly chart, what we have, unfortunately, we do not have any clear ABCD pattern by far, I mean to the downside, but this consolidation has been broken down. And market stands near the first support that we have specified recently, 1806. But at the same time, retracement just has started. It is relatively fast, and market stands flat here without any attempt to go higher. So, following the ideas of the probability here, it seems that chances that market will show the straight upward reversal stands not very significant. And in current situation, I would wait at least for a deeper standing retracements and around the confidence support and see what will happen. Maybe market will form some kind of the Gartley's triple to buy here, which will be potentially bullish pattern. It's around 1795, 1798. This is confidence support. And besides here, we will be able to place relatively tight stop. So in the current circumstances right here, our opinion is that, well, it is not superb area to consider taking the long position. Well, speaking about the scalp short trading, well, theoretically you could consider something, for example, if market will form, let's call it as minor hand and shoulders here, so we'll show some minor pullback somewhere to 1813 area, 1811, so some kind of the shoulder will be formed, and in this case it will be downside extension. So theoretically it is possible, but we also do not have it right in place. So that being said, as a conclusion, those who keep long position right from here still could keep them with the break-even stops. It is possible. For taking the new long position, we suggest that at least we should to wait for this support area and do not take the position blindly, but still keep watching what will happen around it. It's also important. It's not the area per se that guarantee us the good entry, but this is just the background, that just some predefined level where potentially gold could turn up again, and that we will consider. Speaking about short trading, we're not considering it on a daily and high and a fall time frame chart, but if you trade on the hourly chart and lower time frames, it is possible to consider if market will form something bearish, for example, the hand and shoulders. So with the potential target, again, the same confidence support. So this is our current view on the gold market.